Hello viewers, I'm Miss Simran. Welcome all of you to our channel Let's Know History by Professor Kamakhi Prasad Das, HOD History, Government College Koraput. Now, I would like to present comprehensive question answer session prepared by our HOD Professor Kamakhi Prasad Das sir based on CBCS syllabus. Question 1. What do you mean by Neolithic age? Answer. The Neolithic age means New Stone Age. Question 2. Which age was the last part of the Stone Age? Answer. Neolithic age was the last part of the Stone Age. Question 3. When did the Neolithic age span in India? Answer. The Neolithic age spanned in India from 7000 BC to 1000 BC. Question 4. What is the characteristic of Neolithic age? Answer. The Neolithic age is characterized by the development of settled agriculture and the use of tools and weapons made of polished stones. Question 5. What kind of crops were used by the people during the Neolithic period? Answer. The crops that used by the people during the Neolithic period were ragi, horse gram, cotton, rice, wheat and barley. Question 6. In which age pottery first appeared? Answer. Pottery first appeared in Neolithic age. Question 7. By which age the Neolithic age was preceded? Answer. The Neolithic age was preceded by Mesolithic age. Question 8. By which age the Neolithic age was succeeded? Answer. The Neolithic age was succeeded by Chalcolithic age. Question 9. The people of Neolithic age domesticated which animals? Answer. The people of Neolithic age domesticated cattle, sheep and goats. Question 10. When did the people of Neolithic age reside? Answer. The people of Neolithic age resided in pits near a lakeside. Question 11. Which economy did the Neolithic people follow? Answer. The Neolithic people had hunting and fishing economy. Question 12. What kind of tools did the Neolithic people use? Answer. The Neolithic people used microlithic plates and tools made of polished stones as well as bones. Question 13. Give some examples of Neolithic tools. Answer. Examples of Neolithic tools are axes, adze, chisels and sails. Question 14. What were the colors of pottery in Neolithic age? Answer. The colors of pottery in Neolithic age were grey, black and red. Question 15. The Neolithic age is significant for which architecture? Answer. The Neolithic age is significant for its megalithic architecture. Question 16. In which houses did the Neolithic people live? Answer. The Neolithic people lived in circular or rectangular houses. Question 17. Which material did the Neolithic people use to construct their houses? Answer. The houses of Neolithic age were made of mud and reed. Question 18. What were the rights of the people of Neolithic age? Answer. The people had common rights over property and led a settled life. Question 19. Where do we find the Neolithic settlements in India? Answer. We find the Neolithic settlements in India in northwestern part such as Kashmir, southern part such as Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, northeastern frontier Meghalaya and eastern part such as Bihar and Odisha. Question 20. Write the names of some important Neolithic settlements. Answer. Some important Neolithic settlements are Mehergarh located in Balochistan, Pakistan, Burjahom and Gufral in Kashmir, Chirand in Bihar and Utnur in Andhra Pradesh. Thanks for watching our channel. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.